Welcome back. My name is Athena from DreamForgeAcademy, and I will guide you through this lesson. The shell is an empty frame. Today we put the first working screen inside it, the Today board. The screen an operator opens every morning. But before the board, we build the thing every screen will read from, a typed mock data layer. No database yet, just TypeScript types for a job and a customer and a few seeded rows. Screens read from it exactly like they'll read from a real database later, so the shapes are right from day one. Here's the model. A job has a status: scheduled, in progress, done, and only those three. Money is stored as whole cents, dates as plain year, month, day strings so time zones can't shift them. The board shows a card per job with what the operator needs to act. They can advance a job through its statuses, and they can drag cards into the order they'll actually drive. That manual order is the trustworthy one. And when there's no work today, we show a calm, designed empty state, not a blank page that looks broken. First, define the customer and job types in src/lib/mock and seed a few realistic rows for your trade. Add a read helper so the page asks for today's jobs instead of grabbing a raw array. Then build the board, a card per job, add the status controls and drag to reorder, and finish with the empty state. FieldForge seeds demonstration jobs, but yours come from your own day. Your services, your customers, clearly synthetic names. You're still browsing with the fake session and no database. Claude Code leads. Paste your fields in sample rows, don't let it invent customer data. Tell it, statuses are exactly those three: money and cents, dates as strings, read through the mock layer, style with your tokens, and don't wander off building schedule or invoices. The same bounded prompt runs in Codex. The drag handler might look different, the rules don't, and it stops before any database, secret, or paid SDK. Now verify it yourself by driving a morning. Open today. Mark one job in progress, finish another, watch the cards change. Drag the rest into the order you'd actually drive and confirm the order holds. Then clear today's jobs and make sure the empty state shows instead of a blank screen. If the order snaps back after a drag, it's not held in state and you're not done. The board behaving is the proof, not the agent saying it's complete. Thank you for watching. Follow along using the course material and complete the lesson assignment. I will see you in the next lesson.